Elmo, Grandma here. I'm in Edinburgh, Scotland, and it's 3:21. I just heard that you can go into this tram. It's like a car, like a school bus car, and you can actually go sit in the driver's seat and see what it is. There is the driver's seat of the tram. Can you see in there? It's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna go in. Why not? Let's go in. Here it is. Hi. Is it okay to make a video? My grandson loves these things. So here we are. This is the tram.
One on the right side leaves 2 minutes.
Open so we can go in.
Merci.
Let's take a look. This is fantastic. I'm going to open the driver's door and go in. Oh my gosh, look at me, I'm in the driver's seat. Here is the driver's seat of the tram. And this is how the driver makes the tram go. Look at that. It's fantastic. I don't know what all these buttons are for. It's very confusing. But this is what the driver sees when he or she is driving down the road in the tram. I'm going to actually sit in the driver's seat. No, I'm not. I can't fit. Okay. Isn't this awesome? Okay, I'm going to go ride another tram. Actually ride it. Okay, I'm going to get off now. Isn't this wonderful? Okay. Thank you very much. That was awesome. I got to go on the actual tram. There goes one. I didn't know the button is dead. There's the other one. But that's what we just went in. It's like the front school bus of the tram. Okay, here I go. Getting back on. Here's where we're going. Thanks so much. That was wonderful. Mind the doors. That means be careful. See? Mind the doors. Stand clear when the warning tone sounds. And we're going to push the button. It opens the door. Check that out. The door opened. Now I'm going to go in and get a seat. Let's go all the way up here. Why not? It's all empty down here. There's another set of doors. We're going to York Place. Let's go all the way up here. So I will be going in the right direction. This is the way we're going to be going out of the station. Oh, how wonderful. Look at that. Oh, and there's the other driver's door. I'm going to go take a peek. The driver's actually at the other end of this train, but apparently there are driver's doors at both ends of the tram. Look at that, that's amazing. That's just like the one we just looked at. And here's what it looks like. Isn't it cool? So I am taking these school buses back into Edinburgh. This is pretty nice. Okay, and here are the doors where it says, press when lit to open door. So if we push that, look at me, I made the door open. I hope I don't get in trouble for that. Okay. I opened the door. Oh, okay. I hope it's fine. Okay, I'm going to go sit down, and when the tram starts, I will take another video. Oh. Sounds like something's closing. Let's watch. Door's closed. Okay. I'm going to stop the video because it's getting too long. I'll turn it back on shortly. Okay. Bye-bye.